nigga. Stop calling me, nigga. Dead homies. Stop calling me, nigga. Stop calling me, nigga. I don't want to talk, nigga. Meet me in the Hoovers, nigga. Meet me in the Hoovers, nigga. You niggas tough. Nigga, bring your team, nigga. Let's play basketball, nigga. Stop calling me, boy. Pull up in that Don, nigga. I pull up in everything, nigga. I'm Mr. Had everything, nigga. Fuck is you talking about, nigga?
On the dead homies, the homies clean this shit off. This shit was not busting like this at first. We just made it bust, nigga. Niggas got 24 hours, nigga. You better tell your boss to tap in. You ain't in it. You better tell your boss to tap in, Jack. 24 hours, Jack. This shit gonna be gone, baby, gone. Just a heads up, this should not be your hit, man, Drakeo.
Oh, that's what we doing? Alright. Yeah. Phone blowing. Alright. Mic check 1, 2. Run it. Phone blowing up to my hoes, I can't get with y'all. Should I cut this dough with flour or some fentanyl? Ask your bitch about me, I wear the biggest draws. Why you even talking to me, you the biggest fraud? On the block with that, trying to work on something. Lying to my bitch, she probably think I'm at work or something.